It's gonna reach the door. Check it out. Everything's underwater now. Everything. Even the carpet, the car, the truck. Oh my goodness, look over there. Dale calmado, agua. Damn it. Ya llegó. Yeah, it's already up the tire. Yeah, yes too. It's already flooding. Akira. We got tigers and bears. Everybody wanted to come in. Oh my good. Oh my God, we are gonna be swimming with the fishes.
Just 2 more minutes before he makes loose his head. Oh, the neighbors are moving. Where are they going?
Get over here, it's gonna crawl in your face. Your head, your feet.
Who's going where? Where are they going?
It's gonna eat you. It's coming quickly. It's coming quickly. Look at that. It's already gonna come out the door. It's coming. It's coming. Before you know it. Yeah, it's already in our doorstep. Welcome, water.
We're welcoming you in our home.
Bless our house. Bless our home with that holy water. No, hombre. Mira ya. Big time.
Look at the cucarachitos trying to.
He's not gonna make it. Oh, it's gonna eat you. Oh my God, it's gonna eat you, doggo. Oh, you're a big hero. You're a big hero. He's gonna love you.
Of course he is.
God, come back. Come back. Where'd you go?
Oh man, the ACs are gonna get with water.
Can't hear you.
Or AC.
Can't hear you. Are you okay? Say something.
Or air conditioned.
Show your face. I can't hear you. My God. Show your face. Oh, there you go. Well, it made it to the garage, and look how quick it's moving. It's moving very quickly inside. Oh my God, look over there. It's coming quickly. It's coming like the angel of death. Oh my God.
Moving faster.
Record. See? It's closing up.
Oh, I want to drink some coffee.
Before the electricity goes off. Definitely, before the electricity goes off. Well, it made it into the door. It's already here. No more turning around. And it's coming. And it's coming. And it's filling up quickly. The lake in the back is also coming in. I don't think we're going to make it through the night. No, sir. Well, there's people out there. Well, it made it to the door. That's it. Well, check it out. This is how we woke up today, this morning. Heavy car up to the rim of the tire. Even more, look at my feet. La casa está toda llena de agua. Mira nomás el carro. Todos los carritos. Todos llenos de agua por donde sea. La casa. Mira, hasta parece la laguna de atrás de la casa se metió para la casa. Todo se desbordó. Todo.
Elvia, call Brownie.
Come on, Brownie. Come on, boy. Come on.
Elvia.
Come on, Brownie. Come on, boy.
I'll be back, boy. I'll be back.
Come on.
You go inside. Go inside. Brownie, go inside.
Come on, boy. Brownie. Come on.
Good boy. Good boy. Go inside.
You can tell he's worried.
Yeah.
Come on, boy. Hey, Red, the rescue crew that came and got us.
Look at my dog.
Right there.